Well, here I am in Paris, the second Friday of the Games. You can just see the Games ballon flaming away behind me, and you can probably just make out the Eiffel Tower in the background there too. It's Manifesting Paris, and the good news, there are plenty of people here if you look around. Lots of people milling about. It's the overspill, I think, from the Place de la Concorde, but Paris is by no means empty. There are plenty of visitors here, many of whom I think have come for the Games. I think in terms of tourism, I think we can count this as being satisfactory. We will find that the hotels probably aren't as full as people hope they would be, but they're every bit as full as they would be in August. And I think even the shops are saying they're only slightly down on what they would normally expect in August. So this hasn't been a Games which has wiped out the service economy. It hasn't been a bonanza, but then the Olympic Games never are. But it is a splendid city to be in at any time of year, even during an Olympic Games.